Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Legis. I share about making money from home, online, and network marketing tips. If you are interested in this topic, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for my next video. Whether your goal is to make a few $100s per month to help relieve some financial stress, or if you want to build a six-figure business or more, all is possible. But if you are anything like ours, when I started looking to create income from home, you may feel a bit confused, overwhelmed, and have no clue where to start. You are not alone, my friend. There is a lot of garbage out there, but there is definitely possible to make good money from home through legitimate, honest work. When it comes to creating a real income from home and taking back your financial life and freedom, the hardest part is knowing where to start. I'm going to give you a proven and legitimate ways to create cash from home, including where and how to get started right now. Number one, sell your stuff. If you are in buying, let on bills or need money immediately, you can clean out your home and selling the stuff you don't want, don't need, or don't use. Instead of dragging everything out of your garage and going out and painting the town with your yard sale sign, you can simply post your item online. The pro is you could get cash immediately fast. You get rid of clutter in your home. Zero technical experience required. The con is you either have to ship the product yourself, meet your customer in some way, or give them your home address to pick up the goods, which is not recommended nor ideal. You only have so much stuff in your house to sell, okay? Not a long-term sustainable option unless you consistently buy more stuff to sell on eBay and etc. Number two, provide service or freelancing and virtual assistant. Chances are you already have a skill that others will pay you for. There is something you do well that they don't. There is probably something you enjoy doing that others simply don't have time to do themselves. More and more businesses and entrepreneurs are hiring freelancers and virtual assistants this day than ever before. It's much easier and requires less overhead than hiring full-time employees. The pro is you get paid to do what you are good at or love doing. You can get cash. You can get started quickly, work from home, create your own hours around your schedule, quickly increase your fees as you build your reputation. The con is it takes time to build your reputation. You will have to deal with some difficult clients. Okay, they are strict deadline. You will be hustling for gigs, especially in the beginning. You are trading your time for money. Number three, start an e-commerce store. E-commerce is a massive around the entire world, and the stats speak for themselves. Anybody can create an e-commerce store, and therefore the playing field has been leveled. You don't need to be as big as Amazon to make good money in e-commerce. The good thing is you only need a tiny share of the market to earn a part-time or even a massive full-time income. The pro is low startup cost, start for less than $100, no experience necessary, learn as you go, sell to worldwide market, 24/7 operation, sell and make money night and day. Run your store from home. The con is competition is fierce, steep learning curve to marketing your product, dealing with unhappy customer, shipping if you don't use drop shipping, potentially low profit on purchases. Number four, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where you get paid a commission for selling other people's product. This is one of the easiest way to get started earning online because you don't have to create your own product or even have a website. You can sell virtually anything as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing can be a very lucrative way to make money from home. The steps are somewhat similar to starting your own store. The main big difference is that you don't have to do any of the transactional duties or even own your own website. You'll get an affiliate links code to you, and when someone click on your link and make a purchase, the company simply send you a commission. The pro is low or even zero startup cost, no experience necessarily, learn as you go, sell to worldwide market, 24/7 operation, make money while you sleep, potential for huge income. The con is massive competition. You don't own your customer base unless you create a sales funnel, not knowing which strategy to start with. Internet marketing learning curve. Shady vendor and competitor can hijack your links. Number five, network marketing. Network marketing is known as MLM or multi-level marketing. Is a proven business model that harnesses the power of person-to-person marketing and sales. This is also one of the business model I personally stand behind because of the unlimited earning potential and leverage each provide. Network marketing allows you to recruit a team of others distributor below you to sell the product as well. And when your team makes sales, you earn commission from those sales too. Since you are the person who brought them in, also known as their sponsor, those people are also allowed to recruit people into their team, and so you get paid on their product sales as well, and it goes on and on down the line, which is your team is referred as your downline. What I just described is leverage. Yes, you can earn real residual income that come to you month after month like clockwork. Here are the 5 steps to get started. Number one, find a good sponsor who will support you and train you. This is a key to creating a profitable business and team. You need someone with a proven system to show you how to actually grow your business. Then you will turn around and plug your team into the exact same training system. This creates duplication on down the line so everybody wins. Here is the tricky part. Network marketing company often tell you to do things like make a list of everyone you know and then hound them until they buy your product or join. But what happens when you exhaust your world market and have nobody left to talk to? Usually, this approach will cause you to face ton of rejection and or to be labeled as a spammer on social media, which we both know is not fun. Okay, so that's why you should find a good sponsor first. Someone who has a proven marketing system you can plug into to attract an interested prospect to you and get them to buy or join. Many sponsors will sign you up and disappear. That's just the truth. But not with me. When you join me in business, you get personal training, support, tools, and system to help you succeed. Step number two, join the company at the highest level possible. Higher level usually get you more product and usually pay you higher commission. Not to mention your level of commitment often coincide with the investment you make in you. Number three, be coachable and do what your sponsor tell you. Not try and reinvent the wheel. Simply do what they did to become successful, and your chances of success will be much higher. In the beginning, you have to break out of your comfort zone. You have to learn and implement new marketing strategy and learn to use marketing system and communication skill you likely have never learned or used before. You will have to take action as your sponsor give you the step to attract prospect, turn them into leads, and turn those leads into customer and new sign up. Overall, support and train your teams. This is vital as you start getting the hang of your new skill. You simply show the team what your sponsor show you by plugging them into the proven marketing system. If you ever get stuck, that what is your sponsor is there for. They invested financial interest in you doing well and winning. Number five, watch your business grow and profit. As you take the action consistently and quickly to grow your business, you will start to realize that you are creating the kind of lifestyle that most people only dream of. It gets fun and very profitable faster than you can imagine as you take massive action and create momentum. The pro is low to moderate startup cost, a sponsor to support you, personal training and marketing system for success. Work your own hour from home. Big profit as your business grow. The con is competition with others distributor, but lucky for you, most are doing things all wrong. Marketing learning curve. With network marketing company often teach you the wrong way to market your business, which is why you need a good sponsor who know what to do. I've got you. Sponsor often disappear once you join, okay, but I won't disappear on you. All these five are proven way you can start using today to make money from home. If you like me personally want to help you make money from home, I can guide you with opportunity and training to help you make money from home. Click the link in the description to learn more how my automated system can help you to create residual income in your sleep. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.